Hi, I'm Reuben Graham, the installation supervisor at Blue Jay, and today we're going to talk about what to expect on the day of the install. On the day of the install, we will be showing up between 7:30 and 8:30. Our team will be equipped with a truck and trailer. Typically we park on the street, but if there's a specific parking spot you want us to park, just let us know. We recommend you be home for the day of the install. The crew leader will walk around to your property, going over the areas that have to be watered. We will also work with you to identify any property lines, utilities, or any other concerns on the property, such as drainage. We'll also discuss the valve box locations, controller and sensor locations to your preference. At Blue Jay, safety is our top priority. Before we start digging, we ensure that we have received all necessary utility locates. This guarantees any safety of our crew and minimal interruptions. While we receive clearance for the internet companies, they don't actually mark the lines, so expect a little bit of interruptions with your internet or complete outage. Once all these details are addressed, the crew leader will start installing the system. And typically we start at the front right, the right side, the back, to the back left, to the front left. During the installation, we use state-of-the-art pipe pulling machines to do a quick and clean job. We also install drip lines in your gardens, and we are very careful about placing them around your plants. After, we put a little bit of mulch to cover the drip lines, but sometimes there's not enough mulch, so you'll see a little bit of the drip line. Once the installation is complete, we go over all pull lines with the machine, we tamp all holes, and we also rake, seed, and soil to ensure that your grass will be bouncing back in the next month or two. We recommend allowing your lawn at least 2 weeks to grow back with the seed and the soil before you start mowing your lawn or doing any lawn work. You may also notice color-coded flags in different areas of your property. These flags indicate what is watered at what time. Depending on the controller you have chosen, the crew leader will go over the controller and the functions. If you have the internet controller, the crew leader will get you to download an app, and he will go over the app, and you guys will operate the sprinkler controller and go over the system. During the walk around, you'll see sprinklers pressurizing and popping up in certain areas. Again, we start at the front right, to the side, to the back, to the left, to the front left. Once we've completed your installation and have left your property, you will be receiving a welcome to service email package. This package will include any as-built design of your system, warranty information, service information, and also contact information if you have any questions or concerns. Once again, I'm Reuben, and I hope this video was helpful. Thanks again for choosing Blue Jay Irrigation.